In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch views in Asana using List, Board, and Timeline. Whether you're planning your week, organizing a sprint, or mapping out deadlines, knowing how to swap between views helps you see the same work from different angles and stay on track. First, log into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. While the mobile app is great on the go, the full set of view controls is easiest to access on a larger screen. Make sure your browser is up to date so everything loads smoothly. Next, open the project you want to view. You can choose any project where you already have tasks. Switching views won't change the work itself, it only changes how it's displayed. This means you can try different views without worrying about losing information. At the top of the project, look for the View tabs. You'll usually see them near the project name and description. If your window is narrow, some options may collapse into a menu, so expanding the window can help. These tabs are your quick switchers. Click List to see tasks in a clean, vertical list. This is ideal when you want details at a glance, like assignees, due dates, and sections. It's great for checking off items one by one, scanning what's overdue, or reviewing priorities in a straightforward format. Click Board to see tasks organized in columns. This Kanban-style view shines for workflows that move through stages, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. It's a visual way to track status and spot bottlenecks. Each card represents a task, and columns help you understand progress across the entire project. Click Timeline to see tasks laid out on a calendar-like timeline with dates. This view helps you understand how work overlaps, where there might be conflicts, and what's coming next. If a task doesn't have dates, it won't appear here, so adding dates to your tasks will make this view most useful. Timeline is perfect for planning schedules and making sure your team isn't overbooked. You can switch between these tabs anytime, and Asana will remember your selection for that project. Try each view to match the context. List for detail, Board for flow, and Timeline for time. Remember, switching views never deletes or duplicates tasks. It only changes how you look at them. If you can't find the tabs, maximize your browser or check that you're actually inside a project, not a portfolio or team overview. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.